Hello and welcome back to Save the Sitar. This is episode 2 in this series, In the Footsteps of the Masters. Today we are going to cover the lesson, an 8-matra phrase in which we are introduced to the timing system of the tabla.
And we also get to play our first tabla phrase.
The first question which comes to mind is, what is a matra? Well, a matra is the basic unit of time measurement in Pakistani classical music. A matra has an unchanging specific duration which depends on the timing of a performance. For example, if the tempo is fast, like over here, the time value of the matra is small, and vice versa if the tempo is slow, like over here. Over here, its time value will be greater.
In Pakistani classical music, we have 3 major categories of tempo: Vilambet, Madhya and Drut. Vilambet means delayed, so you can infer that it is the slow tempo. Madhya means middle and is the medium paced tempo, while Drut is the fast tempo.
In the booklet, 42 Lessons for the Tabla, a matra is represented by an individual line underneath the bowls. So this is one matra, this is 2 matras, and so on. When there are more than 1 bowls in a single matra, the time value is shared equally. For example, in this matra, we give half of the time to dha and half of the time to ghe. Similarly, here we give 1/3 of the time to each bowl.
So here is the 8-matra phrase. I am going to recite it. Dha, te, te, ke, te, tu, na, katta. Note the way I count the matras on my fingers. Each finger segment represents 1 matra. Here it is again, but now I will be using a metronome. A metronome produces ticks at regular time intervals, so each tick represents 1 matra. Dha, te, te, ke, te, tu, na, katta. Now I will play it on the tabla.
Ustad Karamatullah Khan says that when you perform an 8-matra phrase, you should play it at double the tempo so that each matra contains double the bowls.
Now I'll count it again, but this time I double the tempo. Dha, te, te, ke, te, tu, na, katta. Dha, te, te, ke, te, tu, na, katta. I did it twice. Now I'll play it on the tabla. So here you have it, the 8-matra phrase.
Do try this at home, and remember, haste makes waste. Start playing this phrase slowly and start building up speed slowly. We recommend practicing with a metronome once you are comfortable with this phrase.
We should note that as Pakistani classical music has no written notation and is normally passed down orally, time measurement units often vary from place to place.
We hope that you found this video useful and interesting, and if you did, be sure to like and subscribe to Save the Sitar. We hope to see you soon in episode 3.